ॐ शुक्लां वरदं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजाननपद्माकं गजाननं महर्निशम् अनेकदन्तभक्तानाम् एकदन्तोपास्महे ಬೆಣಕ ಏಕದಂತ ಪಚ್ಚುಕ್ಲೋಪಾನ ಮೆಟ್ಟಲು ಉಪ್ಪುವ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರನಿಗೆ ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತೊಂದು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಓಂ ದ್ರಾಂ ದ್ರೀಂ ದ್ರೋಂ ಶ ಗುರುದತ್ತಾಯ ನಮಃ. Welcome friends, welcome to astrogemstoneforlife.com. It's been quite a long time. We had done a video on social media. Unfortunately, it is for the same reason as COVID-19 this time as well. So before that, overall, who doesn't know about me, let me introduce myself, Dr. Srinivas Temkar. Yeah, thank you for all the my friends, well-wishers and clients who wish me for my achievement of a doctorate on the research done on progeny based on the Vedic astrology last month. So let us proceed further. So as you know, we are all having a COVID-19 wave 2 which has been occurred past from few months, say around from the month of April. So as we all aware about, whatever the pandemic or epidemic would be causing based on the eclipses what we used to have. So this year we have a lunar eclipse, okay, that is on this month 26th, and one major solar eclipse the next year. So this 1 year bandwidth will decide how the COVID-19 would perform and how long it is going to stay with us. So let me start. So firstly, the lunar eclipse is going to visible in India, in Bangalore, that is on 26th of May 2021. It is gonna be at its peak level by 6:49:53 seconds, that is in the evening time, okay, and the maximum time would be near the Mumbai, it is 7:16 p.m. okay. So next major solar eclipse is on 25th of October 2022, and again in Bangalore it is gonna be at the max of 17 hours 49 minutes, that is in the evening 5 o'clock 49 minutes. So let me try to explain you what are its consequences, right? So as per the, if I take out the Kundali, I'll just show you the manual calculations what I have done so far to just analyze the effects for COVID-19 this year. So if I take the Kundali based on the lunar eclipse, okay, it is evident that from this year January till 3rd of April, COVID cases were nearly little on the lower side. Even if you have seen my previous video where I had mentioned, if the government intervention has not been undertaken properly, COVID would be there till 30th of March. Okay, relatively, if you see till 30th of March, very much in beginning of the April, the COVID was nearly to the very much in controlled manner. But however, sorry if I'm a bit low. Why? Because I'm just recovering from COVID-19 positive. So as per this, till from 29th of May, that is after 3rd of April onwards, the COVID cases have been started going up, rising a lot, and this particular lunar eclipse shows that the COVID is affecting mainly on the lungs of the people. If you compare with the wave 1 we didn't had this much of a bad scenario, shortage of oxygen, all those stuff. But wave 2, that is from this lunar eclipse, shows that there will be a lot of crisis for the oxygen. People feel a lot of difficulty to breathe, lot of deaths would occur due to lungs problem, okay. So apart from this, if you see after this 26th of May this year, from 29th of May till 23rd of June 2021, there have been a lot of death cases reported due to oxygen shortage. Okay, so please be cautious. Do some breathing exercises so that you can keep your lungs healthy. And whatever the oxygen shortages, what I was talking about, this could be to the normal stage from 19th of September this year till 22nd of October this year. So during this particular 1 month of period, the oxygen shortage of supply, whatever it is been occurring at the moment, would become to the normal stage. And we all know we are running short of vaccinations. This vaccinations issues would nearly be solved by this 29th of August 2021 till 18th of September 2021. So we have to wait for another couple of months so that we'll be having ample of vaccination supply so that we could able to fight against this COVID. And here it is show as per the lunar eclipse from 22nd of October 2021 onwards, there will be a new stage of mutated virus outbreak could be there. So it could be even wave 3. However, all the doctors are stating that it will harm more of the kids. However, if we could able to analyze the lunar eclipse, it evidently shows that it doesn't affect more on the kids. It will be for all general public who are having less problem, I mean to say less healthy lungs what they are having at the moment. So keep your lungs healthy and keep safe. And coming to how long it could stay. So here the major diversion would be the solar eclipse, which is going to occur 25th of October 2022. So based on from this onwards, it is clear that till June 2022, the maximum pandemic would be there. After that, it starts dripping slow by slow. Maximum another 2 more years we need to wait so that the pandemic would reduce. That is till 22nd of July 2023. So please mark this date. Till this date, the pandemic would be there within us. Slowly it will keep on dripping from next year, May 22 onwards. So as a small remedy, what I would suggest is take 2 heaps of rice, the raw rice, okay, pray Lord Gayatri mantra Om Bhur Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat, or at least of 5 times. Once this has been done, keep this, pour the 2 heaps of rice after 5 times of each individual prayer and start consuming it. Do this every Monday. This will definitely help to improve your immunity level based on your lungs capacity as well. Once again, thank you all. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Namaste.